SM College of Education is affiliated to MD University Rohtak and approved by NCTE Jaipur. It is 17th session of the college, and about thousands of effective teachers have been prepared by the college who are deployed at dignified posts in the Department of Education. On 17 September 2004, NCTE granted recognition to the college to admit 100 students in B.Ed under the stewardship of Shri Jai Singh Gehlotji as chairman. After his sudden demise in January 2009, the responsibility was shifted to Shri Rajendra Gehlotji as institution chairman. In 2006, the institution, which was run in a small building of Marumal Public School Sector 4, was shifted to the present building. Subsequently, the NCTE in 2008 granted recognition for another additional intake of 100 students. So far now, there is intake of 200 students for B.Ed, 50 for DLED, and 50 for M.Ed. So we are running B.Ed general course, which is framed for 2 years. As we have total 200 intake seats in B.Ed, which get filled always every year. As this session also, it went fully packed. So we are having total 200 students right now. As you can see, the college is co-ed. Both girls and boys are admitted, which give sense to gender equality. The faculty employed is highly qualified. All are UGC NET or PhD holders with great professional experience, serving with an aim to prepare effective torch-bearer prospective skilled teachers who will pave way for the 21st century school education. Next, our main strength is our strong academic result, which is the greatest strength. Maximum students secure first division and also uphold university merit list. This year, B.Ed first year toppers scored 81.14% and B.Ed second year by 87.33%. Final topper this year scored 82.90%. So always the percentage goes in such stream, and I hope the same expectation from this session too. So here it comes the B.Ed syllabus. Yes. So now coming to B.Ed syllabus. As B.Ed is 2-year program, so in first year, you have 5 theory papers and 4 practicals. These are the 5 theory papers and 4 practicals along the assignments in each theory paper assigned by respective teachers, which you have to complete on the stipulated date. First paper is childhood and growing up, which is completely related to educational psychology of children. It deals with all developmental aspects like physical, emotional, cognitive, social, etc. Total marks for this paper is 100, in which 80 marks are assigned for your theory paper and 20 marks are internal assessment, which is marked internally by your subject teacher according to your marks in assignment, attendance, your participation in the college activities, your exams, internal exams. According to that thing, we decide that your subject teacher gives you this internal assessment, 20 marks. Same wise, the next paper is Contemporary India and Education, in which you will learn regarding laws of education and its development in India, from how education developed from India from the past till now. So here the marks distribution is also the same, 100 and theory 80 and internal assessment 20. Next we have learning and teaching. Learning and teaching, where you will come to know about the whole learning teaching process. You will get to know various teaching models and learning styles. Here also the mark distribution is the same, 100 marks paper, 80 theory and 20 internal. Apart from these 3 papers, you have next 2 papers, which is of your teaching subject, which you have chosen at the time of admission. This teaching subject is according to the subject you have studied in your graduation or post-graduation. So they are pedagogy of school subject 1 and pedagogy of school subject 2, which are to be chosen accordingly. Different groups have been in the university schedule. I will discuss ahead. Here we have groups, various subjects. You can choose any subject from the group, one group only. This you have already been chosen during the time of admission. It can be Hindi, English, social science, physical science, and so on. So here the mark distribution is also 100, 80, and 20. So these five papers are the theory papers in B.Ed first year. Next comes the practical part. There are, you can see 4 practicals. You have to prepare files for this 4 practical. This is reading and reflecting on text, drama and art in education, critical understanding of ICT, understanding the self. So the files, you have to prepare files related to the content given in the syllabus of each practical. The practical files should be made more creative with innovative ideas, pictures to be pasted and covered nicely. Your presentation of files should be awesome, which create an impact on the examiner. Handwriting and the way of presentation, material loaded with effects. Well, each practical is of 50 marks. And the external examiner takes your Viva. Viva questions are there. That is based on your file only. But sometimes question outside file, but related to education field can be asked. So the marks are based on your Viva and the presentation of your file. Hence, total marks for this first year is 700, including the theory papers and your practicals. Apart from this, students are sent for school experience program for 2 weeks, where they observe school practice and cover all tasks and assignments given by the teachers. So in first year, you go to various schools for 2 weeks. This one, observation and having teaching practice. So next come second year. So in second year, same wise, you have theory papers, knowledge and curriculum, where you learn about curriculum, as curriculum is syllabus and all co-curricular activities in a session. So you will learn regarding curriculum framework and different models of curriculum and all. Next paper is assessment for learning, where you will learn different evaluative techniques. Third paper is creating an inclusive school, where knowledge regarding special education is given. Children with special needs like deaf and dumb, blind, mentally retarded, and various other categories of special children is given. The knowledge how they lead their life and how they study, what are the techniques to teach them, is all you will learn in this subject. Even we take our students for the special school visit also, like blind school is there, deaf and dumb, and mentally retarded. So a visit is prepared where you all go there and make a report also. These are the papers. These 3 papers are of 100 marks, 80 theory and 20 internal. The next paper is language across the curriculum. Here we have different language regarding language, multilingual system concepts you will learn. And the paper is for 50 marks, where theory paper is for only 40 marks and internal is 10 marks. Next paper, understanding disciplines and subjects and gender, school, and society. These 3 also are of 50 marks, and 40 is your theory and 10 internal. Next, we have the choice of 2 papers like health, physical, and yoga education and guidance and counseling. Basically, there are 4 papers, but in our college, you are given 2 choices. You can opt any of one, like health, physical, or yoga education. You can opt if your choice, or you can choose guidance and counseling only. At the start only, you have to mention which subject you want to opt. Then next we have this practical part, skill in teaching. Skill in teaching, this is the pedagogy subject. In the first year, which you have done, which you have chosen, the first subject, the same subject is here only. Yeah. Yes. That this is you have to prepare two lesson plan. Here, what you have to do, you have to prepare two lesson plan files of your teaching subject, which you opt in first year. So this file is for skill in teaching practical, where you demonstrate the lesson plan in front of students under simulation conditions, and within the college premises, you act as a teacher and other students as pupil. You have to teach a topic with help of audio visuals. In the final skill in teaching practical, you have to demonstrate the lesson plan in front of the examiner, external examiner, who evaluate your teaching and give marks out of 100. We will discuss regarding this teaching practical ahead. So basically you have to prepare two lesson plan files. Okay. So here two skill in teaching practical, one for file you have to prepare school-based activity also. These two files, teaching subject file, and one is the school-based activity file, which you will prepare when you go for school internship. It consists of CCE, development of learning material, report of all experiences you get from the school. A brief index will be provided to you to let you know what reports you have to maintain in this file. So this file is also for 50 marks. Hence, total marks is 750. So in B.Ed second year, the total marks is 750. Assignments are given in each theory paper, which you have to complete on time. So these are the subjects which you have chosen during the time of admission. So basically, there are groups. So group A consists of Hindi, English, Sanskrit or Urdu, and group B, mathematics, home science. Group C is biological science, economics, computer science, music, and fine arts. And the group D consists of physical science, social science, and commerce. You can choose any two subjects from one group only. Here, so which you already have done during the time of admission. So next is, so total grand marks adding B.Ed first year and second year is 140 marks. So 140 marks it composed of B.Ed first year and second year. So the next here you can see, as I have told you, there is teaching practice. So teaching practice takes place where in first year, micro teaching and mega teaching both is conducted in the campus under simulation conditions. 5 lesson plans of micro teaching and 5 for mega teaching you have to prepare. In micro teaching, 5 teaching skills are used. The lesson plan is for 5 to 6 minutes only. Few students are there, one skill at one time. And in mega teaching, lesson plan is for 20 to 30 minutes. Here, all the micro teaching skills are used. Then comes real teaching. Here, you prepare 12 lesson plans. And it is conducted in real schools of district Gurugram only. This teaching practice really boosts the confidence and capability of our students, and they learn difficult skills to be used in the teaching profession. So this is the main part is B.Ed, micro teaching, mega teaching, and real teaching. Then comes internship program. As I told you, SEP, School Experience Program, that is conducted for 2 years in first year, 2 weeks in first year and 2 weeks in second year. So total 4 weeks SEP program in schools. And then comes SIP, that is School Internship Program, that is conducted for 16 weeks. So total we have 4 plus 16, 20 weeks. 2 weeks in first year, 2 weeks in second year SCP program, and 16 weeks in second year. So total 20 weeks. So you have to, here you will remain in the school during the internship under school supervision and control, and from morning assembly to till last period is over, you have to stay there only. You will learn to work like a regular teacher, participate in all school activities, including planning, teaching and assessment, interacting with the school students, helping supervisory duties in examination, maintaining records, writing reflective journals. So you get exposure of schoolwork like maintain registers, labs, libraries, discipline, organizing co-curricular activities, etc. and etc. So this is the main part, the internship program, where you face the real school teaching. So you get prepared, well prepared by micro teaching, mega teaching, real teaching, and this internship program. So next we have curriculum lab in our college, which is well equipped. Students take various teaching aids for preparing demonstration lessons. We have physics, chemistry, biology, mathematics, social science, psychology lab. So in psychology labs, there are a number of tests available. So you can use the psychological test in research work also. Art and craft lab is your computer lab, physical health and physical education lab, and the most important, library, which is well equipped with the books, journals, magazine, and so students come, sit, and learn a lot of things here. Well, the next part is about this seminars, workshops, conferences, and this extension lectures. Our management is very supportive for faculty and student professional growth. So various seminars, workshops, and this extension lectures, conferences are organized in the college, and they also allow us to participate and attend outside in other colleges or other universities too. Yes, then comes the unit test, which is conducted twice a year. Then at the end, final university exam takes place. In the unit test, for initially half syllabus is covered, and in the second unit test, full syllabus is covered. Furthermore, there are various co-curricular activities being the part of the whole session. College provides the perfect platform to showcase your hidden talent. So sports, indoor and outdoor games are organized. Various cultural celebrations like Diwali, Holi, Teachers' Day, etc. will be performed throughout the session. Inter-college competition, where all colleges of Haryana participate in various events. Talent team is also selected for the college to take part in youth festival, EduFest, organized by MDU. So a lot of activities you will observe throughout the session, very essential. So some more features I can just want to put light. I'm just going to wind up only. So some features you will acknowledge throughout the year, that is scholarship. Scholarship is provided to the meritorious students. Our college has been marked as examination and evaluation center for MD University and other universities too. Active placement cell is there, where a number of students has been placed to reputed schools. Newsletter, the Education Buzz, is published with the joint effort of students and faculty. Every week, personality development program and student seminar is conducted for complete growth of students. Alumni meet is organized every year to get together of the past of students and faculty. Student committee activities, that is very important. We are having student committee which is working very actively. They work together with the faculty with full responsibility. So and participation to other colleges, as I have already mentioned you. So we send our teams to other colleges, other inter-college competitions also. Excursion is there. In excursion, we organize educational trips and special school visit also, as I mentioned earlier. And at the last, I would like to say that our college is running. We are having Facebook account. We are having Facebook account and Instagram. We are on Twitter and YouTube channel also we are running. So you all join this social media platform so that you can get recent updates of the college. It is the link is available on our website, www.cpsmco.org, and I will also send you the link to your groups, individual groups, also B.Ed, D.Ed, and M.Ed. And furthermore, that's all. So wish you all the best. Thank you.